Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the stem function on the AirBrush application, meaning that you can select unwanted areas and then replace it with another part of your picture. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera button to take a picture, or either the library icon to select a photo from your gallery. After that, you should click on the tools button down below and then on the stems icon. After that, you should select the brush size by using the scale, and then you should brush over the unwanted area. And for example, if you want to cover or get rid of the hand, then click on the arrow icon in the middle of the screen on the right side after brushing it over, and then you should select the part or the section of the picture that you would like to replace that area with. And if you are done with it, click on the apply button in the middle of the screen, and now tap on the checkmark icon down below in the right side of the screen to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.